Good morning children, welcome to Gautam Model School, Vanasthalipuram, UKG children. Doing good everyone? Nice, very nice. So are you following the classes children? Yes, very good. So here children, this is your term 2 textbook. Yes, open. And yesterday we have learnt about the traffic lights children, and today we are going to learn about what is this on the road. So when you go on the road children, what you are seeing on the road, we will be talking about this. Okay, see this picture everyone. What are all you are able to see children? See, this is a car, and this is a bus, and this is a hospital, and this is another one, and he is a policeman, traffic policeman, and this is a van, right? This is a auto rickshaw, and here it is a motorcycle, and here cart means children, here he is a vegetable sender children. See, on the footpath he is going children, and he is selling vegetables, so it is called cart children. It is called a cart. And children, they are crossing the road on the zebra crossing. Why it is called zebra crossing children? Have you seen the zebra children? It has white and black stripes on the body, right? So same stripes on the road also we can see children. That is the reason it is called a zebra crossing. That means children, wherever the zebra crossing is there, we need to cross the road. From this road to another side we will be crossing, right children? And that too whenever it is a traffic light is stop children, because all the vehicles will be stopping, then you need to cross the road on the zebra crossing, right? So we need to follow zebra crossing, otherwise what happens children, will met with an accidents, right? So that is the reason we need to follow traffic rules children. And many things you can see in this picture children. You tell me, what is this? See, this is all down we are seeing children. Here what is this? Here pillars you are seeing, here, and on that a road also visible. What is this? This is a flyover. What is this children? This is a flyover children. To control the traffic, all the time, like a traffic is very what is that, traffic jam we will be telling, right? So whenever the place is very less, the vehicles will be stopping there only. There is no place to go all the vehicles. So in that case they will be making this flyovers to make the roads comfortable and to make the persons to drive the vehicles properly, and even shortcut roads also we can follow, right now children? So this is called flyover. So wherever you are going, whenever you are going, right children, you tell your parents, see daddy, this is a flyover, right? So on this also we will be driving cars and buses, auto rickshaws and everything. Here it is a motorcycle, and even bicycle also you can see children here, right? Yes, bicycle. And there is a scooter. The man is wearing helmet children. So while going on the road, whomsoever is driving the vehicle, they need to put helmet children. Okay, it is a safety of your head. If you fall from the bike also, you will not get hurts to your head, right? So that is the reason, for the safety we need to put helmet, right? So you tell your parents, or else if anybody is not putting helmet, then tell them wear the helmet. Okay children. So Here street lights, children, these are when it is a dark, children, when it is a night time, how we will go, how we will see? So we require street lights, right, my children? Even in our houses also we light lights, switch on the lights, right? So even in our lanes also, children, like we'll be having street lights in our streets also, right, children? So on the road you can see these are all street lights. And what is this, children? This is a truck. All the loads they will be carrying in this trucks, children. Okay, this is a truck. And here traffic policeman I told, and here this is a see, what is this? Red, yellow, green lights are there. This is a traffic lights, right? So what you are able to see, you tell me, children, and you speak about this picture. Okay, if you are not understanding anything, you can tell me. And one more thing, one more special thing also is there, children, in this. What is that? Here metro you can see, children. Did you travel, children, in the metro anytime? Yes, MMTS also, like even like from here to like near to our places also we have seen like these what is this? Here it is given metro, right? It goes very fast, children, right? So it is also a different types of traveling, children. So transport it is like here down we are going on the road, like vehicles, all these vehicles like scooter, bus, car, bicycles, cycles, and even like motorcycles, auto rickshaws, all these they are running on this road. And this metro runs on the track, children. All the time we know, right? We know, children, about this transport, like where these different vehicles will be going on different ways. That means like this metro requires railway track, children. It runs on the railway track. Okay, aeroplane and helicopters and all this will go in the sky, right, my children? So it flies in a air. So air transport it is, and that is different matter. But when two transports are coming here, no, children, so I am explaining you here. This is metro, children. Okay, and this is also we can see in our city, right? It is very nice when we go in this, once you try, children. Okay, so this is metro. Okay, completed. Anything? Yes, flyover, over, and tempo also is there, children. Here a side tempo we forgot. Here it is a tempo, pink one. This is a tempo and this is a truck, children. It is a smaller than this truck. This tempo is a smaller than this truck. So this is tempo, truck, and here van. That means, children, we have different types of vehicles, right, children? Different types of vehicles we have. Okay, and you also read here a mother is crossing the road here with the two children on the zebra crossing. Okay, children. Okay, children, and first we have learnt about the on the road, children. So all the time whenever you want to cross the road, on the zebra crossing you will be crossing the road, and whenever you cross the road, when traffic lights are red, then you see the traffic light and you cross the road. And whenever you are walking on the road, so left side of the road on the footpath you will be walking, children. Okay, and be very careful while traveling, children. Okay, on the roads, and follow the traffic rules. What we need to follow, children, when we go on the road? Traffic rules we need to follow, children. Okay, so now, children, I want to give you some written part also in this, children. Page number 42. Let us revise, children. It is already we have completed in first term. So this is page number 42, children. Complete circle the balls and cross out the balloons. Okay, this page I want to give you as a homework, children, because we know the different ones we will be doing, children. Okay, count and write also here. Okay, balls, circle the balls and cross out the balloons. And how many balls are there, you will be writing here, and how many balloons are there, you will be writing here. And here also, children, circle the ones that do not belong to the groups. So circle. See here, children, fish is not related to the vegetables, right now, children? So you will be circling this one. Okay, and here these are all flowers. Here in between, in the middle, they have given a table. You will be circling this one. So complete this page, children. In the same way, even here, this is also same way, matching and grouping. You will be completing, draw lines to match the sets of the same number. So count and match, children, this one. This page also I want to give you as a homework, children. It is very easy for you. You are all UKG children now. You count and complete this one. Okay, sit with your parents and complete this. If you don't understand, just ask your parents doubt. Okay, children. So this is also page number 43. Complete page number 42 and 43. Okay, these two pages are homework for you, children. It is just revising. Okay, bye bye, children, and we'll see you next session. And complete, even you can read that on the road also. Okay, speak about the picture. And what is the homework? 42 and 43. See you, and we'll see in next session.